Hello, this is the vintage jewelry haul / auction preview for August 16th and 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern on this channel. This is not the order that we're going to go in. The order will be in the full list underneath the video at the auction. The link is in the description. Full list will be there. Look, this is the old Corocraft. These pearls. These are so much nicer than I realized when I bought them. Sterling silver toggle clasp, really long and different sizes. See, there's like more round there. There's like subtle stations. So really cool. The way that you wear this is you double it and then you hang something from the toggle. Like imagine a really cool locket or a cameo or like a carved mother of pearl game piece. Something like that, very Extasia. The Trifari Bracelet. The Eastman crystal pendant watch necklace. The J. Jill, not sterling, but genuine gemstones and pearls wired in there. And there's Jasper and Smoky and Tiger Eye. It's very cool. You can't see it in my hands. Let's see. There you go. You can kind of see it there. Yes. The very long Monet. Very, very long Monet. Going to start this reasonably for all the collectors. Look, it doesn't fit in the shot. Here we go. There you have it. The other pearl toggle necklace that I found, also gorgeous. Oh, this is interesting. It's already, there you go. Ta-da, nice sterling clasp on that one. This one turned out to be not sterling silver. It's going to be an offered at, really, really fun. I'll probably offer this for $10. I also do a lot of giveaways and I do cash prizes. The old hat pin, so cool. The black tourmaline nuggets. The sterling silver fringe earrings. These turned out to be not sterling, but they're still cool. I love them very much. These also turned out to be not sterling, but fantastic, very one-of-a-kind art glass. The really, really long Monet curb. This is, I have a chain similar to this that doesn't have like the rope detail, and it is my favorite Monet chain of all time, and I hang my Chanel magnifying glass from it. So this is a really good score. I hemmed and hawed about keeping it, but I'm going to let it go. This is not sterling silver, but it's beautiful. Someone wrote in and said that the designer is probably Extol, which I still have not researched, but beautiful. This is not as good a quality as I thought, but it's still totally fabulous. So that will be an offered at with the fleur-de-lis. Really cool. Oh, this is very special. So this is a handmade, one-of-a-kind, gold-filled necklace, little pearls on the ends there. Really beautiful. It has a tassel of gemstones. Okay, that's ruby. That's ruby. There's aqua in there and peridot and amethyst and is it blue topaz? I know it's definitely aqua. I don't think there's blue topaz. Citrine. I think there's tourmaline in there or iolite. Gorgeous. All faceted briolets. Really, really high quality. So that is coming up. That is something I would normally save for holiday, but it is in this week's auction. See the rubies? This sterling silver two-tone and really good labradorite. Really good. Show you. Yeah, you can see it. Labradorescence. Gorgeous. The coin earrings under the J hoops. Beautiful sterling coin earrings. This turned out to be 14 karat gold, handmade, one of a kind, no marks. So I don't know if it's going to make it into this week's auction. I'm going to try for Friday. I have to really try and research it. It's very nouveau looking and it's gold. The black plastic tassel necklace. So fabulous. Very 1950s or 60s. The unknown but really good quality heavy link chain with the fleur-de-lis and the toggle. The also unknown and very, very hard for me to give up. Oh my gosh, the teardrop or pear-shaped faux pearls. Look at them, they're really good. The chain is really good. This is so nice. That's coming up. The pink and black glass with the filigree caps, most likely Italian. And the chaps with the tiger eye. Great color palette there. That's everything. Thanks for watching. See you at the auction. Bye.